Today, Jamaica stands at a crossroads. As Andrew Holness takes the oath for a third term, the question is, did he win it fair, or did he buy his way to power? Today, history repeats itself on the lawns of King's House at 4 p.m. Andrew Michael Holness will once again raise his right hand before Governor General Sir Patrick Allen and swear the oath of office as Prime Minister of Jamaica for a third consecutive term. But the question that echoes across the island is this: is Andrew Holness walking into Gordon House on Duke Street as a leader fairly chosen by the people? Or is he dragging behind him the heavy chains of corruption, suspicion, and tainted victory? The whispers have grown louder. This was no fair election. Allegations of vote buying, intimidation, and irregularities cling to this win like a dark shadow. Even his very own seat, the foundation of his claim to leadership, is now under investigation. For some Jamaicans, today is not a celebration of democracy. It is a reminder of how fragile our system has become. They say Andrew's playbook has always been written with nasty, tainted hands, where money, not merit, tips the scales. As the swearing-in ceremony unfolds with pomp and dignity on the surface, beneath lies a country divided, hurt, and questioning. Strange times indeed, when a corrupt leader can smile and wave, while many Jamaicans wonder if they just witnessed the wrecking ball swing one step closer to finishing off the Jamaica they love. So the question for every Jamaican: did Andrew Holness earn his place at the helm of this nation? Or did he buy his way to power, leaving democracy battered and bruised? Get the latest stories and analysis on everything you need to know about the Andrew Holness government. Follow me for more analytical story on Politics Insights.